Di video pembelajaran kali ini, kita akan membahas tentang bagaimana cara membuat WH questions. Jenis kata tanya yang termasuk dalam WH questions adalah what, apa, why, mengapa, where, di mana, when, kapan, who, siapa, whom, dengan siapa, which, yang mana, whose, punya siapa, serta how, bagaimana. Kata tanya what digunakan untuk menanyakan benda, seperti what are you doing? Kamu lagi ngapain? Kata tanya when digunakan untuk menanyakan waktu, seperti when will the meeting start? Kapan pertemuannya akan dimulai? Kata tanya where digunakan untuk menanyakan tempat, seperti where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? Kata tanya who digunakan untuk menanyakan orang, seperti who do you love the most in your family? Siapa yang kamu paling cintai di keluargamu? Kata tanya whom digunakan untuk menanyakan orang yang berperan sebagai objek dari verb, seperti whom was Arya talking to? Dengan siapa Arya berbicara? He was talking to Rio, his new roommate. Dia berbicara ke Rio, teman kamar barunya. Kata tanya which digunakan untuk menanyakan pilihan, seperti which one do you choose? The blue one or the black one? Yang mana kamu pilih? Yang biru atau yang hitam? Kata tanya whose digunakan untuk menanyakan kepemilikan, seperti whose pen is this? Is it yours? Pulpen siapa ini? Punyamu? Kata tanya why digunakan untuk menanyakan sebab atau alasan, seperti why is he crying? Mengapa dia menangis? Kata tanya how digunakan untuk menanyakan proses atau cara, seperti how can you explain this problem? Please tell us. Bagaimana kamu bisa menjelaskan masalah ini? Mohon jelaskan ke kami. Baik, aturan untuk membuat WH questions menggunakan auxiliary atau kata kerja bantu adalah sebagai berikut. Kata tanya WH lalu diikuti dengan auxiliary, kemudian diikuti dengan subject, lalu main verb, dan jangan lupa di akhir kalimat ditambahkan question mark atau tanda tanya. Contohnya, why should we read that book? Mengapa seharusnya kita baca buku itu? When is he coming? Kapan dia datang? Baiklah, kita beralih ke cara merespons pertanyaan WH. Untuk kata tanya what, contohnya, what is it? Apa ini? It's a laptop. Itu sebuah laptop. What color is your dress? Warna apa baju kamu? It's purple. Warna ungu. What is your mom doing? Mamamu lagi ngapain? She's cooking in the kitchen. Dia lagi masak di dapur. What do you think about the party? Apa yang kamu pikir tentang pestanya? Well, it's fun. I like the live band performance. Baik, itu sangat menyenangkan. Saya suka penampilan bandnya. What will happen if our team loses this time? Apa yang akan terjadi jika tim kita gagal kali ini? We'll be out of the game. Kita akan keluar dari pertandingan ini. Untuk kata tanya when, contohnya, when will the train arrive? When will the train arrive? Kapan keretanya tiba? The train will arrive in 30 minutes. The train will arrive in 30 minutes. Keretanya akan tiba 30 menit lagi. Keretanya akan tiba 30 menit lagi. When does she get up? When does she get up? Kapan dia bangun? She gets up at 6 a.m. She gets up at 6 a.m. Dia bangun pukul 6 pagi. When did the party end? When did the party end? Kapan pestanya selesai? It ended before 8 p.m. It ended before 8 p.m. Pestanya selesai sebelum jam 8 malam. When are you going to visit Siska? When are you going to visit Siska? Kapan kamu mengunjungi Siska? I'm going to see her tomorrow. I'm going to see her tomorrow. Saya akan mengunjunginya besok. Untuk kata tanya where do you live? Where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? I live in Riau. I live in Riau. Saya tinggal di Riau. Where are you going? Where are you going? Kamu mau kemana? I'm going to the zoo. I'm going to the zoo. Saya akan ke kebun binatang. Where's the coffee shop? Where's the coffee shop? Di mana kedai kopinya? It's between Indomaret and the hospital. It's between Indomaret and the hospital. Di antara Indomaret dan rumah sakit. Where did you leave my jacket? Where did you leave my jacket? Di mana kamu tinggalkan jaket saya? I left it in my bedroom. I left it in my bedroom. Saya tinggalkan di kamar saya. Where have you been? Where have you been? Dari mana saja kamu? I've been in the library reading books. I've been in the library reading books. Saya dari perpustakaan baca buku. Untuk kata tanya who, contohnya, who's this? Who's this? Siapa ini? She's my new roommate. She's my new roommate. Dia teman kamar baru saya. Who wants to be an English teacher in the future? Who wants to be an English teacher in the future? Siapa yang mau jadi guru bahasa Inggris di masa depan? My brother does, I don't. My brother does, I don't. Kakak saya mau, saya tidak. Who would you like to travel with? Who would you like to travel with? Dengan siapa kamu mau bepergian? I would like to travel with my best friend, Rio. Saya mau bepergian bersama sahabat saya, Rio. Who told you that secret? Who told you that secret? Siapa yang beritahu kamu rahasia itu? Rini did. She told me everything. Rini did. She told me everything. Rini, dia beritahu saya semuanya. Who do you like the most in this class? Who do you like the most in this class? Siapa yang kamu paling sukai di kelas ini? I like Sarah. She's so smart and friendly. I like Sarah. She's so smart and friendly. Saya suka Sarah. Dia sangat pintar dan ramah. Untuk kata tanya whom should we talk to? Whom should we talk to? Dengan siapa saya harus berbicara? We should talk to the principal. She's responsible for students' issues. We should talk to the principal. She's responsible for students' issues. Kita seharusnya berbicara ke kepala sekolah. Dia yang bertanggung jawab terhadap masalah siswa. Whom did you meet in front of the building last week? Whom did you meet in front of the building last week? Dengan siapa kamu bertemu di depan gedung minggu lalu? There was Ayu, my secretary. There was Ayu, my secretary. Dia Ayu, sekretarisku. With whom do you agree? With whom do you agree? Kamu setuju dengan siapa? I agree with Angga's team. I agree with Angga's team. Saya setuju dengan kubu Angga. Untuk kata tanya which t-shirt do you like? Which t-shirt do you like? Kaos yang mana yang kamu suka? I like the one with Coldplay picture printed on it. I like the one with Coldplay pictures printed on it. I like the one with the Coldplay picture printed on it. Saya suka yang ada sablon Coldplay-nya. Which color do you choose? Which color do you choose? Warna apa yang kamu pilih? I choose red. I choose red. Saya pilih yang merah. Which one is yours? Which one is yours? Yang mana punyamu? Mine is the biggest one. Mine is the biggest one. Yang paling besar punyaku. Untuk kata tanya whose jacket is this? Whose jacket is this? Jaket siapa ini? It's my dad's. It's my dad's. Punya ayah saya. Whose birthday is today? Whose birthday is today? Ulang tahun siapa hari ini? It's Dewi. It's Dewi. Ulang tahunnya Dewi. Whose phone is on the floor? Whose phone is on the floor? HP siapa yang di atas lantai? That's mine. That's mine. Punyaku. Whose team is better? Whose team is better? Tim siapa yang terbaik? Wahyu's team is much better. Wahyu's team is much better. Timnya Wahyu yang lebih baik. Untuk kata tanya why don't we visit him now? Why don't we visit him now? Kenapa kita tidak kunjungi dia sekarang? It's a good idea. It's a good idea. Ide yang bagus. Why did you leave so early? Why did you leave so early? Kenapa kamu pulang sangat awal? Because I didn't enjoy the party. Because I didn't enjoy the party. Karena saya tidak menikmati acaranya. Why do you think that he loves you? Why do you think that he loves you? Kenapa kamu pikir dia mencintaimu? Because he's given me a lot of chocolate on Valentine's Day. Because he's given me a lot of chocolates on Valentine's Day. Karena dia memberikanku banyak coklat di hari Valentine. Untuk kata tanya how's the weather? How's the weather? Bagaimana cuacanya? It's sunny and hot. It's sunny and hot. Terik dan panas. How do you feel? How do you feel? Bagaimana yang kamu rasakan? I feel much better now. I feel much better now. Saya baikan sekarang. How did you know her? How did you know her? Bagaimana kamu bisa tahu dia? We were old friends. We were old friends. Kami teman lama. How's your new job? How's your new job? Bagaimana pekerjaan barumu? It's interesting. I enjoy it. It's interesting. I enjoy it. Menarik. Saya menikmatinya. Baik, sekian video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris kali ini. Thank you for watching.